Okay, hey guys. I'm in this trade on gold. Am I hit TP? I don't know. You know, I'm actually in this trade. I'm actually in this trade this time. So, yeah, it's like the risk is $18. So if I lose this trade, I'll be down to 642. So, and that's including commission and fees and everything. I subtracted like the $18 minus $15 just in case. But yeah, so 642 would be the account number if this doesn't work out. I'm getting to the charts like pretty late. Like my alarm is usually 6:30 and I didn't get out of bed till 7:30. So it's currently 7:44 right now. So this setup took, like, breaking a candle took place at 7:35. So yeah, so I'm just getting to it. That's a okay candle closure. Close very bullish, so that looks okay, but we are very high, and so I don't know how much, you know, this has to go. The EMA is looking pretty good, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I already have my stop in. I have my stop. I don't have TP set because I just usually follow trading view. I didn't check news yet, so let's go ahead and check news and see what's going on. It's not NFP, but yeah, so there's nothing going on until 10 a.m., which is perfectly fine. Tomorrow's crazy though. Okay. 7:45 a.m. Oh my god. I just been, you know, it's so crazy. Like, I think I fell asleep. Let me check. Okay, I get a call from my brother at like 10:08, and I was still a little asleep. Like, I just started to sleep. But like right after him, I think I passed out. So maybe like between 10:30 to 11 p.m. And I wake up today and I'm still tired. I'm still tired. It was like I'm getting all this has been happening for like a couple of weeks now. Like, I've been getting good sleep in my head, because let's say 11, I go to sleep 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7 hours. But let's say 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's like 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and I'm still tired when I wake up. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know what she wants to do. You know, she's looking kind of bullish, but you know how that Friday went. Bro, that Friday, I don't know how many times, like, I watched that video maybe like when I was editing it. I had to watch it, and then when I uploaded it, I watched it again, bro. The first time I was watching that shit back, and when I was editing, I was dying. I was dying, bro. Like, I literally was like, no, because that shit was messed up. Because that shit was just, bro, I don't even know. Bro, I'm just looking at it and I'm like, that really could have been a $50 win. $50, bro. But it's okay. Today it's looking like 18 is on the line. That's okay. I take what the market gives me. I was looking at NQ, but obviously, you know, this MNQ trade was the one that was in front of my face. The interesting thing is, like, on Iron Beam, you see no demand. But it was so interesting because when I saw this, I was like, this is giving demand without giving demand. Like, it just looks like a demand, but it's not giving. But okay, my stop is there, so it's whatever. So it looked like a demand, but it was like, this isn't a demand. But then I went over to this regular NAS Forex chart, and then I saw that it was a demand. Like, I had that feeling that it was a demand. So I also have it marked up. I don't know if I'll take it. I mean, if I lose this trade, I lose that trade, but I don't know. I mean, $18 lost in the day, like, that's not that bad to me. So I feel like I'm okay to keep on going if there's another trade. Keep on going if I lose this trade. If I don't lose this trade, I might just call it. But if I lose this trade, I might want to call it. No, sorry. I might trade, you know, something else depending on what the market gives today. You know, like, I want to trade, but I don't want to trade recklessly. I don't want to overtrade. I don't want to trade too much. I don't want to revenge trade. I just want to trade and be like, hey, this was a loser. It was only $18. I'm very much perfectly fine risking that much. And let's see if we can find another setup that could give us, that could cover that loss, and hopefully then some. That's kind of how I want to operate. I'm just shivering. Why is it like low key? I kind of want it to stop me up so that I can leave from work, because it's 7:50 and damn. So if it stops me up, I don't know, because I'll be underground and all that stuff, so I don't know. I don't know if it'll work. I mean, this was like a good setup. It was a cheap setup, so I'm not gonna be like today. I think maybe because it is me waking up and I'm still a little bit disoriented, but it's like my heart isn't beating, you know. And I feel like the more I say it, I'll be like, "Well, are you sure?" It starts beating. But yeah, like my heart isn't really beating fast. I think maybe because it's only $18 on the line. I think when it gets more to like 50, 60, 70, that's when I'm a little bit like, ew. So I think that's kind of like the thing. It's like I accept the risk if the risk is small. Then it's like I don't really care. But if it's like $50 plus, then I'm a little bit, I don't know. 63%. Oh my goodness. Should I do a prop firm? Should I do a prop firm shot? $49 a month, and I have not given myself any sort of like profitability status of any kind. Should I join a prop firm? Damn, I got stopped out. Okay, well that's tough. Okay. We'll say nothing. I swear this is gonna be one of those like you get stopped out, but then it eventually goes in your direction. Like, why I feel like it's gonna be one of those kinds of bullshits. I'm saying nothing. Alright, well, honestly, I think I'm done trading. I think I'm done trading. Like, to be honest, like, this was a good loss to have. Let me put this in my piano. Today's Tuesday. A loss of $18. Yeah, alright. Well, I think I'm gonna just call it for the day. Like, right now, I'm not really feeling it. But, so this was the video. How long is this? 11:23. Alright, I think I'll just add some music to this. Alright, well, we lost $18 today. Let's see what the account is after, but I predicted it to be 642. So our original balance was 676. With commissions and fees minus the loss, I'm predicting it to be 642. We'll just see what the statement is last night, and then I'll get back to y'all on Thursday if anything happens. Okay, well, a loss is a loss. Anything can happen. I'm still reading Trading in the Zone, still trying to get my mind right. I'm gonna get my mind right, and we're gonna make this money. We're going to become a consistently profitable trader, period. And our lives will change forever. Not just for us, but for everyone that is around us. Alright, well, that's the end of this video. Take care. Hello, just want to do a real quick thing. It sucks right now because I don't know if it's my internet or if it's my computer. It's probably my computer, but I'm unable to access TradingView and show you what happened today. So the last thing, you know, I lost $18. That's chill. Yeah, I took a trade. I lost in total today $102. How does something go from $18 to $102 taking a bigger trade on top of the trade that we already lost this morning? I really wish I could show you guys. I don't know. I see the thing is loading now. Maybe it might load, or who knows. But it was basically a MES setup. It was worth, maybe if I lost, it was like maybe like $70 trade plus the, I don't know, we'll have to see later, I don't know, but it was a larger trade. It wasn't, you know, more than greater than $80. I remember calculating it at 60 something, so I'm not sure how I in total lost $102 today, but who knows, whatever. Doesn't matter. I took the trade. I feel like, damn, you know, like I really took that trade. Shit, how am I about to upload this video? Fuck, I guess it might happen tomorrow. But I took this trade and it was all me. And the reason why is because I felt an itch to continue trading after I lost. And that was because it just didn't feel like enough for me. Like the $18 loss, I wasn't affected by it. And so I felt like a need to continue trading. But with today's markets, it wasn't really like a good day to trade. Like all the setups that were there, they were there, and that people definitely profited off of it, but it wasn't like anything. How about this? It was setups that looked like would happen but then wouldn't, and like it would just become invalid like crazy. And this was happening a lot, and it was just like it was just not good price action today. But still, like, because there was a trade on gold that we were waiting for in Doyle's thing, and it didn't hit until after the session was over, I looked at TradingView and I literally saw the candle, the candle that broke, yeah, like that, well, the break of the candle that we would take to go up. I literally looked on TradingView and that thing was going and it was forming, but I didn't want to like rush into it because I literally just like looked up, went to TradingView and saw that it was happening right there, and I didn't just want to like rush into a trade that we were all aware of, but it was just like it just happened for me. I wasn't looking at the charts the entire time, so to see that it hit the zone and the candle, the break of the candle was forming, I got stuck. I was just like, bro, I'm not trying to chase a trade that I wasn't looking at, and I'm just trying to hop in like real quick, like I wanted to just, you know, be calm and chill, and it hit TP and then it went for a little bit more. And so seeing that, you know, I was happy for everyone who took it and, you know, had that, but I still felt that like that FOMO. I guess, is it fear of missing out? Yeah, fear of missing out. That's what today was. Today was FOMO. And it was just seeing, you know, everybody eat, and it was just like, I want to eat too, you know. But yeah, and I guess I paid the consequences for the FOMO, but, you know, I'm not gonna self-deprecate. I'm not gonna be like, what's wrong with you? Like, who got time for that? Literally, who has time for that? I'm done with giving myself negative energy. Like, why am I being so upset and rude to the same person that was able to grow the account to where it was the beginning of the day from like less than 600? right? Like, why would I be, because like now the account is down to like 570 something, like 570. So it's literally like $100 essentially, like literally where we were, but just $100 less. Am I like, yes, it's disappointing because we were so close to $700, and you know, that would have meant that we grew the account over $100. And not to say it's been a long road to get here, but it's been a journey, you know, of discipline. And you know what? Today was the first day where well, other than that Friday, today was a bit of a relapse, you know, but a different fear relapse. That one was just like, I don't know, but today was different. And you know, I'm gonna be aware of this, and I'm not gonna be too hard on myself. You know, there's people that have been in this I guess field for like 8 years, still making these kinds of mistakes. And so me, not even 2 years in, close to 2 years in May, but not even 2 years in, and I'm making these mistakes, that's okay. I'm still a freshman, bro. Those 8 year, 7, of course, you know, we're human, so it's gonna happen. But like, if that's still happening to you on a regular basis, like, bro, you're a super senior for what, bro? When you gonna graduate and learn, bro? But I'm glad that you're here, because I'm gonna look at you as for inspiration, for motivation, to not be like that, bro. To not be like that. And so that's how I know I'm going to make it, because God has blessed me with seeing other opportunities, other people in the same opportunity that I'm in, and seeing how they're dealing with it. So now that I'm in this situation, in that opportunity field, I can see the mistakes that they have posted on their YouTube channels, and see the stuff that they've done, and what not to do for too long, and what I should be doing and pushing for. So it's nice to see that balance, and that's why I love YouTube. It's because you can see the side of one consistently profitable trader, and then the opposite, which is like an inconsistent but profitable trader. Can win, but is a loser, and it's only because of how their mental is. And so right now I'm really balancing it from 2 different ends. I'm not going to say their names, but it's like I'm seeing somebody who's already got it, eating and just going, and I'm seeing somebody who has been in it for longer than the person who's eating, longer than them, and they're not getting, and they're not even close to where that other person is. So it's the dichotomy of the two that's really, you know, both motivating me from 2 different angles. You know, it's the person that I want to be, and it's the person that I don't want to be. And I'm in the position to make a choice. Which side do you want to be on? And everybody wants to be on the side that's eating, because there's no way I'm going to be here for 8-9 years and I'm not profitable, or I'm inconsistently profitable. There's no. I will get my mind right. I am not Luke. I will get my mind right. I will become a consistently profitable trader, and it will not take me 8 years to get there. I am Kadi, and today is just the beginning. Alright. Or maybe tomorrow, y'all, when y'all see this. Alright.